Hello folks and welcome to my channel. In this video I show you how to insert SIM card and memory card in Motorola G04. The SIM tray is located on the left side of the phone. And to insert the SIM cards, first we need to remove the SIM tray. We remove the SIM tray with the help of the SIM extraction tool that you find in the phone box. Push gently to pop up the SIM tray. Now put in first slot the memory card, which is a SD card, up to 1 TB capacity. In the following slots you can put SIM cards that are of the nano SIM type. You can use the phone with 1 or 2 cards. Put in the SIM card with the gold contacts facing down. Make sure the tray is flush with the side of the phone, and push back the SIM tray. Ensure that the SIM card tray is closed tightly to prevent water and dust entering the device. Open or loose the tray may allow water and dust to enter the device and cause damage. Thanks for watching and have a good day.